Hello everyone, welcome to Nisha's Maths Master Class, and today we are going to learn lesson number 8, algebraic expressions and operations on them, standard 7, practice set 35, and the topic is multiplication. Okay, multiply. So first question, 16xy into 18xy. Now xy like term is there, correct? So whenever we have to solve the expressions on the multiplication topic, so that time again equal to sign is must. Afterward take the number, means it is our coefficient. Take coefficient. Afterwards variables. So xy single is there. So xy multiply xy. Got it? So 16 into 18. Rough work करके देखो 288 is answer there, and x square, y square. Okay? यहाँ पे आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, just see x into x, then y into y. Okay, means x into x square and y into y square. Understand, children? Now moving to next. This is also multiplication, but little bit different. Okay, two brackets are there. So when we solve multiplication of algebraic expression, so that time you have to take one bracket you divide it in two parts. Okay, for example 4x plus 5y I take in two parts, that first bracket. For example, first you have to write down only 4x. Afterward you take 9x plus 7y. Okay, then plus 5y. Okay, afterward next 9x plus 7y. Okay, समझ में आया क्या किया? ये ब्रैकेट या तो ये ब्रैकेट, दोनों में से एक ब्रैकेट चूज करो. मोस्ट हम लोग फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट लेते, और फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट का फर्स्ट पार्ट आपको फर्स्ट टाइम लिखना है, सेकंड पार्ट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन बिटवीन द सेकंड टू ब्रैकेट्स. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 4x with 9x, then we have to multiply this 4x with 7y. See here, 4x multiply by 9x. Okay, means this we have to multiply with 9x. Okay, then this 4x we have to multiply with 7y. So before that put the plus sign. Okay, 4x multiply 7y. Okay, समझ में आया? मतलब ये 4x को इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, ये 4x को इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया. अभी प्लस. Now again this 5y we have to multiply with 9x. Same this 5y we have to multiply with 7y. Okay, so we have to do the multiplication first. 9 4s are 36, or x into x, x square. Got it? Now 4 7s are 28, x y. Afterward plus sign write down as it is. 5 9s are 45, x y, plus 5 7s are 35 y square. Okay, अभी आगे जाएंगे हम लोग. Now see 36 x square write down as it is. Now 28 xy and 45 xy like term is there, so addition. Okay, see positive signs are there, so make the addition. 8 plus 5 13 is there, carry over 1. 4 plus 2 6 is there, 6 plus 1 7, and xy we have to write down as it is, plus 35 y square. Okay, simple and easy, children. Again I repeat, if two brackets are there and we have to multiply both brackets, so that time take one bracket first, and that bracket we have to divide in two parts. The first term you have to write down is the beginning, and second term you have to write down afterward this bracket. Okay, again this bracket we have to repeat here. Now the first term we have to multiply with this bracket, so 4x multiply with 9x, 4x multiply with 7y. Afterward plus sign we have to write down as it is. Then 5y multiply with 9x, same 5y multiply with 7y. Got my point? Afterward we have to do the multiplication, means 4x into 9x. 4 9s are 36, x into x, x square. Then 4 7s are 20, 4 7s are 28, x and y, so xy is there. 5 9s are 45, so x and y as it is write down. Then 5 7s are 35, and y square. Understood? Afterward xy and xy same term is there and addition is there, so we have to add the like term and we have to write down remaining expressions or variables coefficient as it is. Okay, simple and very easy. Simple multiplication is there. This such a type of a questions carry 2 marks. Okay, so do it properly, children. If you like the content, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.